Hi everyone, it's Lynette with Charmed Grammy Crochet, and we're in the dining room today. This is just going to be a quick little video. Today, this will be Charm Chatter number 62, and coincidentally, today is 6/2/2020, June 2nd. So when I was writing that down, I thought that was kind of ironic. This is because I got the okay. I'm going to just adjust this. There we go. I got the okay. The pattern hasn't been 100% tested, but the pattern has been reviewed and practiced a little. So the pattern for the Amanda's Patriot Blanket is ready to go. And I'm going to start, Amanda and I are going to start filming tomorrow. So that is this blanket that I designed to make for Amanda. It is a square blanket and it requires 3 colors of yarn, or 1 or 2, whatever you want to do, but the pattern as is 3 colors. You will need 2 skeins of white, 2 skeins of red, and 1 of blue. It's not a difficult pattern. It might be a little unique, I guess is a good word, in the construction of it. But that's okay. So what we're going to do, I don't know exactly when the tutorial will be out, or it's going to come out in parts, or how that's exactly going to go yet. My original goal was to have it so that you could have it completed before July 4th. I don't know, this is already June 2nd, and we haven't started filming. And so we're going to kind of have to play that by ear. What I did want you to know is I made mine with a 6mm hook. I wanted to tell you that too. So you'd have, when it comes out, you can have everything that you need. Coffee. Let's see, what else did I want to say about it? Oh yeah, if you want the pattern and just want to work on it on your own before any filming comes out, that's fine. If you don't want the pattern and you just want to do the crochet along, that's fine. But the pattern is free, and the only way you can get it, since I don't have like a other way of getting it to you, would just be you have to email me at charmedgrammycrochet at gmail.com, and charmed has no E, so it's CHARMD Grammy, GRAMMY crochet, CROCHET at gmail.com, and I will send you, I don't know if it's a Word document or a PDF. Anyway, I'll send it to you, whatever it is, how I have it on my computer. That's the best I can do. So the pattern isn't real long, and it's in 3 sections. Excuse me. I'm home alone. I haven't had anyone to talk to all day. A little rusty here. So the first section would be the square in the middle, and that's gone. You do the bobble. It's a bobble stitch. It goes back and forth. Then we go into the first red section. The red sections are the same. All the red sections are just a granny square. And then that goes around. Then each white section is some form of double crochet until we get to the border, which would be the 3rd section. So that's all. This is where the back post double crochet. These are just double crochet with a chain 1. And these are double crochet, chain 1, and a back post together, so it's a combination of the 2. And then we've got a shell kind of thing and some double crochets there. So it's all double crochet. Yeah, except for the bobble, which consists of kind of double crochets anyway. So that's what you need to know. Mostly is double crochet. There are some chains. Obviously, you got to do some chaining everywhere you go. If you make the blanket, there will be a there will be a giveaway for anyone that puts pictures of their completed blanket on my Facebook group page, which is Charm Grammy Crochet Group. I will have links to my email. Well, email and Facebook group page are always linked on the bottom, in the description box. If you do not have Facebook, I'm not going to include Instagram because I do have an Instagram. I just go there like maybe twice a year. I used to go there more often, but it really doesn't, I don't know how to really use it. So I really don't go there. So if you don't have Facebook and you can't be part of the Facebook group page and put your pictures there, you can email me a picture and that'll still get you into the giveaway. And I'm going to let the giveaway go till the end of July because my original goal was that we would have this, so you'd have them by July 4th if you wanted to make them for, in the U.S., the July 4th holiday. I don't know that it's going to be done that quickly to give you time to finish and, to start and finish your blanket before July 4th because I haven't even started filming yet. And I don't know how well that's going to go, particularly the way that I want to filming it with Amanda, we're going to make the blankets together. And so if she has a problem, if she doesn't understand something, then I'm going to stop filming. We're going to film her problem, what she's experiencing, and how we rectify that. So that's part of what we want to do to help people learn that don't know. I will probably have some tips in the videos that'll, just quick little crochet tips that I've learned that any of you that's been crocheting for, more longer than I have, which is like less than 3 years, you'll probably already know these tips. But if you're new, that's, things that might be able to help you out. Because crocheting, you're always learning something. I mean, I learned something. I watched a Little John's tutorial. I don't remember even which one, but she did something. I'm trying to think of anyway, and I'm like, oh, how did she do that? And so then I watched the tutorial, which I don't usually watch tutorials unless I'm planning on making that item, and then I watch as I do it, but anyway, I tuned into something because she had a top or something. I'm like, how did she do that? So I kind of fast forwarded to where, and I learned something new from her just last week. So anyway, I will probably, I will include things like that because I want to help Amanda make crocheting easier for her. So she's going to come over tomorrow and we're going to start videoing. We're going to start the tutorial, but as I said, we're going to see how that goes because, editing is not something I know how to do. So this is going to be a double learning experience for me, how to, create the tutorial and how to edit it. That's going to be fun. So, anyway, I want you to have time to get onto the group page, get your projects made with or without the tutorials, post pictures. So we're going to let it go until the end of July. And then there will be a drawing, just like all the names of people who submitted pictures will go into a hat and we'll pull a prize, which I don't know what the prize is yet now. But I think the last day of July or something, we'll have the end of the giveaway be. And so I just want you to get prepared, give you plenty of time to get yarn together. And excuse me, I made mine as a Patriot blanket because that's what Amanda's into. And, but yet any 3 colors, probably even less if you wanted, would be beautiful as well. And if I didn't have someone in mind already for the next one that I'm going to make and make it in red, white, and blue, I would be making it in a different color schemes, just because I'm really anxious to see what it would look like that. I've already had some subscribers from Canada say that they're going to make theirs in just red and white to go for their country. So that's kind of awesome. It would be, I'm really anxious to see what people come up with. I hope that you participate, and there'll be more upcoming videos as soon as I know when the first video is going to come out. I'll let you know. Excuse me. But I just want you to be able to jump on to my email page and get the pattern sent out to you if you do want the pattern. It is out and available. So, 10 minutes to tell you that. All right, that's all I've got for you today. Stay safe, everyone. Enjoy the nice weather that most of us should be having or starting to have now. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.